So our lesson for today is all about exact equation. Isa itong method na dapat ninyong aralin under ng differential equation kapag nakakalculate tayo at nagaanap ng mga differential equations or general solution to a certain equation. Actually, later on or soon, marami na kayong may encounter pang method. At hindi lang yung general solution ang ating aanapin, syempre, counted din dyan yung kung paano ba ang maganap ng particular solution. Sooner, I'll be giving you also example kung paano ba ang maganap ng particular solution. As of now, ang practice muna natin is more about the general solution. So, ang lesson natin, again, exact equations. So, let us now talk about exact equation. Makinig kayong maigi dito, mga anak. Given the equation, okay, m of x and y dx plus n of xy dy is equal to 0 will be an exact equation if and only if the derivative of m with respect to y is also equal to the derivative of n with respect to x. Kailangan ang function natin kay m with respect to y equal din sa function ng n with respect to x. Para masabi natin ang given equation is an exact equation. Now, in order to do that, may application tayo ng derivatives or differentiation process. So, why do we have to do that? Because we have to test for the exactness. And how do we test for the exactness? We have to solve for the general solution or particular solution of DE. Yan ang dahilan kung bakit kailangan nating i-test yung exactness. Kasi nga, magsasolve tayo ng GS or ng PS ng isang differential equation problem. Test the given DE for exactness and solve for its general solution. Now, let us be direct to the point. Kailangan direct to the point tayo kasi masalimuot naman talaga yan kapag inaral mo eh. Maraming steps yung exact equation na kailangan ninyong kabisaduhin. So, nag-prepare ako ng alimbawa. I think minimum of 2 muna tayo. Dalawang example lang. So, we have now our example number 1. And ito yung ating example number 1. X plus 2y times dx plus 2x plus y to be multiplied by dy is equal to 0. And this is actually our example number 1. So, aanapan natin yan ng DE. But before we proceed to that, bago natin mahanap ang kanyang DE, ang kanyang differential equation or general solution, kailangan muna nating i-test ang kanyang exactness. Now, by doing that, we will apply this general formula. The m of xy dx plus n of xy dy is equal to 0. Kumbaga, i-compare natin ang general form sa ating given equation. In this case, ang m of xy natin ay yung x plus 2y. At ang value naman ng n of xy natin is 2x plus y. And in our day, actually, by comparison, yan ang value ng ating m. Ang value naman ng ating n is 2x plus y. Can you follow? Question so far? Wala pa bang tanong sa ating ginagawa?
Wala po.
Wala pa. Sure kayo. So,
Yes,
continuation.
sir.
So, we have now to test the exactness. So, first, we have to apply this formula. Solve for the derivative of m with respect to y. So, this is our step 1. Solve for the derivative of m with respect to y. how are we going to take the derivative of m with respect to y? What do you think is the derivative of m, which is actually equal to x plus 2y with respect to y? Any volunteer? Tapos na kayo ng differential calculus. Ngayon, pinapahanap ang derivative ng m with respect to y. Kapag sinabing with respect to y, ang differential operator natin, dy. And then the rest of all the terms, kung wala namang y, are considered as constant. Sa palagay ninyo, ano ang derivative ng m? 2. So let us see. So m is equals to x plus 2y. The dm over dy is equal to 2. And that is correct. The derivative of m with respect to y is simply equal to 2. Now, if we have received a value of 2 for the derivative of m with respect to y, definitely, dapat ang makuha natin sa kabilang banda, 2 pa rin ang ating makuhang sagot. Kasi ang susunod na step natin is to solve for the derivative of n with respect to x. Ang equation natin sa x is 2x plus y. Ano ang derivative nito with respect to x? 2. So let us see. At dahil equal lamang ang derivative ng m with respect to y at ng derivative of n with respect to x, ang ibig sabihin, ang given equation natin is an exact equation. Can you follow? Exact equation siya. So dahil exact equation siya, doon pa lang tayo magpo-proceed doon sa step kung paano ba ang procedure sa paghanap ng general solution under ng exact equation. Klaro ba?
Opo, sir.
And that is it. Since dm over dy is equals to dn over dx, thus, the given differential equation is exact. Hanapin ko yan sa inyong mga solusyon. Yan ang pinakasagot talaga kapag nagtetest tayo, yung conclusion. Hindi yung naipakita mong equal lang. You have to state that the given d is really exact. Okay? So, proceed. Since exact yan, dyan pa lang talaga mag-uumpisa ang solution process. Yung kanina, ang ginawa natin, checking pa lang yun. We have to check for the exactness of the given equation. Kung hindi sa exact equation, ibig sabihin, hindi intended yung method ng exact equation sa pagsosolve ng equation na yon na given natin. Marahil ang method na gagamitin ninyo is variable separable o kaya any other method na ituturo ko pa lang sa differential equation. Now, for our solution process, ito yung simula. Step 1. Lagi nating nire-equate ang value ng m sa the derivative of a function with respect to x. Let df over dx be equal to m. So this is step 1. Tandaan niyo, no? Laging ine-equate ang value ng m sa derivative of a function with respect to x. Now, ano ba ang value ng m? M is equals to x plus 2y. Can you follow? Nakakasunod ba? Okay. Proceed. And then, equate natin yan, ang value ng m, sa df over dx. And this is going to be our equation 1. Klaro? Klaro ba? So, yan ang ating step 1. Okay, proceed. For step 2, kung kanina, ang df over dx, in-equate natin ng m, ngayon naman, ang df over dy ang i-equate natin sa n. So, ibig sabihin, gagawin lang natin yan para magkaroon tayo ng equation 2. Step 1 and step 2 are just preparation to determine equation 1 and equation 2. Ito yan. Since ang value ng n is 2x plus y, from our given equation, equate natin yan sa df over dy. So that we can have now our equation 2. Nakasunod ba sa step 1 and step 2?
Yes, sir.
Kumbaga, kung babalikan ko yung kanina, no? Pakinggan yung maigi class. Dito, madali pa yung ibinigay kong example. Yan. Kumbaga, ito, equate natin ang df over dy. Yung isa, df over dx.
So, balikan ko yung kanina. Yan. Yung m, df over dx. Yung isa, df over dy, yung n. So, correct lang natin, no? Yan. So, we have now equation 1 and equation 2. For the step 3, okay, step 3, integrate equation 1 with respect to x and taking y as a constant. Ibig sabihin, kung walang x, the rest of all the terms are considered as constant. And even yung y is considered as a constant because we're going to integrate equation y with respect to x. Now, since this is our equation 1, ito no? Ito yan. Start, i-rewrite ko muna ang equation 1. And then after kung nare-write ang equation 1, yung dx, yung denominator na dx, i-cross multiply ko sa right. Can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Okay,
po.
so after ng cross multiplication, we're going to input integral sign on both sides of the equation, the left and the right. The integral of df is equal to the integral of x plus 2y dx. And then, ano ba ang integral ng df?
F.
F. F lang, anak, no? F lang. Okay, ano ba ang integral ng x plus 2y dx? Anong integral ng x?
X squared over 2.
2. Anong integral ng 2y?
2x.
Ano?
2xy.
2xy. Magkakaroon siya ng x. Let us see. Oh, parang may kulang ah. May nawawala. Tama ba ako? May nawawala.
Yes, sir.
Ay, hindi pa siya na-integrate. Ayun yung symbol. Ayun. Hindi pa siya na-integrate. Yung left muna in-integrate natin. Masyado tayo nagpanik. May integral. Ayun. Ayun. Hindi pa nagagamit. Hindi pa. Ayan. Yan pa lang. Meron pa siyang pa-suspense. Ano? Yan pa lang. X over 2 plus 2xy. And do not forget to add a constant. And that is t of y. Can you follow? Lagi na lang natin gamitin ang t of y. Can you follow, class?
Yes,
Yan ang
sir.
ating pinaka-constant. T of y. So f equal to x over 2 plus 2xy plus t of y. And this is going to be our equation 3. So that is our step 3. Can you follow?
Yes, sir.
Sundan niyo ha. So after ng step 3, proceed tayo na step 4. Differentiate equation 3. Okay. Partially with respect to y and taking x as a constant. Kumbaga, yung nahanap natin dito sa step 3, yung equation 3 na yan, differentiate natin. Yun nga lang, baligtad. With respect to y ang pagdi-differentiate natin at ang x naman ang magiging constant. Kung i-rewrite ko ang equation 3, i-reset. This is our equation 3 kanina. What do you think? Paano ko yan i-differentiate with respect to y?
0 na, sir, yung ano, x squared over 2.
How about 2xy?
Bale, constant.
Ano lang, sir?
Magiging ano na lang?
2 na lang. 2x pala, 2x, sir.
2x.
X. Okay, how about ty? Or t of y?
t prime.
Tama po ng prime. T prime.
How about yung f?
df over d.
Ano? Paano mangyayari sa f?
df over
df over
dy.
dy. Tingnan ko nga kung tumama kayo. Wow, okay. Mukhang tumama naman kayo lahat eh. Tama talaga. Okay, df over dy is equals to 2x plus t of prime of y. Very good. So, simplify natin. Yan ang ating equation 4. Can you follow? So, for every step,
Yes, po.
nagkakaroon tayo ng equation, ha? Step 5 tayo. Sa step 5, madali na lang. Ang equation 4 natin, equate natin sa equation 2. Bakit? Kasi pareho lang naman silang df over dy eh. Can you follow? Ang equation 2 natin, kung naalala nyo kanina, di ba naghanap tayo ng df over dy? Pareho silang df over dy, pwede nating equate ang kanilang mga value. So, eto ngayon yung solusyon. Di ba ito yung ating equation 2 kanina? Can you follow? Dinawrite ko lang. Equation 2 yan kanina. Naalala nyo pa yan? Balikan ko, ano? Ito yung equation 2 natin. Hindi yan. This is our equation 2. Tama? Ayan, equation 2. df over dy din yan. Okay, balikan natin. Sa step 4, kung papasinin ninyo, df over dy din yan. Okay? Kaya ang step 5 natin, ang parehong df over dy, equate lang natin. Or like, we can simply say equate equation 4 and equation 2. So, ayan yung equation 2 natin at ito yung equation 4. Wala tayong ibang gagawin kundi equate lang yung dalawang yan. So, df over dy is equals to df over dy. Ang df over dy ng equation 2, equate natin sa equation 4. Can you follow? Now, what do you think will happen to the equation if we're going to simplify?
Cancel na yung 2x, sir.
Cancel na yung both 2x, left and the right. So, y then is equal to t of prime y. Tama ba ko? At yan ang
Yes,
ating
sir.
equation 5. Nakakasunod? Ang haba ng steps, di ba? Paano kung na-mental block ka during the licensure examination? Nagkalituan na, nakabaliktad na. Minsan, napagpapalit mo, ang natitake mong constant, yung y, hindi pala, dapat pala ang x, step 4. So step 6, integrate natin ngayon ang equation 5. Kung ano yung makukuha mo sa equation 5, kailangan integrate mo siya. Now, if this is our equation 5, we're going to integrate both sides. Yan. Can you follow? Bakit naging integral of t of prime of y is equals to y dy? Siyempre, kapag in-integrate mo, kailangan may dy ka doon, di ba? Now, if we're going to integrate both sides, what do we have? T of y is equals to 1/2 y squared. Tama ba? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yan ang ating equation 6. Yung nahanap nating T of y is equals to 1/2 y squared. So, after nahanap yung equation 6, madali na lang. Equation 7. Equate mo ang equation 6 sa equation 3. So, rewrite ko ito yung ating equation 3 na nakuha kanina. At siyempre, ito naman ang ating equation 6. Kumbaga, ang value ng T of y dito, papalitan lang natin ng 1/2 y squared. Can you follow? Can you follow? Ang value ng T of y sa equation 3, papalitan lang natin ng 1/2 y squared.